When you first encounter the house in Minami-machi, what strikes you isn't just its materiality, but the idea that this is both a home and an architecture studio in one. Nestled in the residential fabric of Matsuyama, Japan, between the urban center and the historic Dogo Onsen district, the project blurs the lines between private and public life. This dual function informs everything about how the space is organized and how it unfolds as you move through it. At its core, the spatial layout is deceptively simple but deeply intentional. On the ground floor, shared spaces like the dining kitchen and the office sit side by side, connected with nothing more than a glass door, a boundary that is at once clear and permeable. As you ascend or walk away from the entrance toward the rear, rooms become progressively more private, yet they never feel cut off. A vertical void between levels visually links these areas, anchoring the interior in a sense of shared presence and openness. The materials tell another story, one of local identity and craft. The exterior is clad in yaki-sugi, a charred cedar technique traditional to the region that turns the wood into a weather-resistant skin with rich texture and depth. Inside, the walls and ceilings are mostly white, creating a calm backdrop for life, while the cedarwood floors bring warmth and tactility underfoot. This approach encourages the interior to grow over time with the personal touches of daily living, making the design feel like a living, evolving canvas. Light and landscape play starring roles in shaping how this house feels throughout the day. Careful placement of windows frames views of surrounding greenery, while sunlight shifts across surfaces, subtly animating the spaces from morning to evening. A narrow concrete path framed by lush planting leads you up to the slightly elevated entrance slab, grounding the home in its site and connecting it to the outside world. Here, the architecture doesn't just sit on the land, it participates in it, fostering a quiet dialogue between interior life, landscape, and neighborhood.